Hello everyone, myself Sai Prasad, a lecturer in AhleBait High School and the Junior College. Welcome to a series of the lectures of 9th class maths. We have discussed the different chapters of 9th class, that is we started with the basic real numbers, polynomials, and we did a few statistical chapters also. Today we are going to learn a new chapter, that is Geometrical Constructions. What is this? How do we do? That is, in this chapter we are going to learn how to construct the basic geometrical structures such as triangles, quadrilaterals and all. Clear? In the year 8th class you would have learned how do we construct a basic quadrilaterals. Okay. Here also we will do those kinds, but mostly we will concentrate on the relationship between two sides and everything. For example, if sum of two sides is given, then how do we construct a triangle, like that. Okay. Shall we start? Let us do. Before going into the questions, let us revise how do we construct simple angles. Tell me, you all know that a straight angle is 180 degrees, isn't it? Then how do we construct 90? That is, we are going to construct a angular bisector, that is with this point as center and more than half as radius, we will draw an arc like this. Okay. Again from here more than half. Okay. Then we will, if I join these both, I will get a perpendicular bisector, that is nothing but 90 degrees. Okay. Then if I want to calculate 45, again with this point as center, I will draw an arc, with this point as center, I will draw one more arc, more than half as it is. So we will get a 45 degrees ka angle. If I want to draw 22 and a half, again with this as center, draw an arc, with this as center, draw an arc. This is 22 and a half. Clear? Did you understand? Fine. Similarly, how do we construct a normal 60, 120 angles? That is, the same 120, the same 180 we will draw, and with the same radius, with this point as center, we will cut an arc here. Again with this point, cut an arc here. This will be our 60 and this will be our 120. This is 60 and this is 120. Clear? From this also we can draw, say 90. How? With this as center, draw an arc. With this as center, draw an arc. You will get 90 here. Clear? From the 60 we can get 30 by bisecting, isn't it? This is how we do different angle construction. Okay. Shall we do problem? Now see here. He is asking us to construct an equilateral triangle of side 4.5 centimeters. Okay. Equilateral triangle, you have to remember, that is all angles are equal, that is nothing but 60 degrees. Clear? Now the first step is draw a line segment AB 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Next step, draw an angle 60 degrees with A as center, draw an angle 60 degrees. Okay. With A as center, again 4.5 centimeter as radius, cut an arc here. Okay. This is 4.5 centimeter and this is C. Now join these both. Okay. Obviously this is also is 4.5. Is it clear? Or else you can do one more thing. Again this first, without doing an angle, just with this as center, draw an arc of 4.5 centimeters. Again with B as center, draw one more arc of 4.5 centimeters. Again they both join at C. That is also an triangle. Okay. Fine. Whenever you present a construction of any geometrical figure, you have to do three things. One is construction, second is a rough figure, third is steps of construction. Just draw a rough figure like this, A, B, C. Next, steps of construction. First step, draw a line segment AB equal to 4.5 centimeter. Clear? Second, with A as center and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Right. Next again with B as center and radius 4.5 centimeter, draw an arc cutting previous arc at C. Okay. Now, the next step is join AC and BC. Therefore, ABC is a required triangle. Clear? Did you understand? Fine. We have to draw the construction, a rough figure and the steps of construction. Fine. Good. Shall we do a few more problems? Let us do. Look at the next question here. He gave construct a triangle ABC given BC as 5 centimeter and AB plus AC as 8 centimeter and angle ABC as 60 centimeters. Then how do we construct it? They did not give sides, but they gave the sum of the two sides as 8 centimeters. How do we do? Tell me. That is, remember this have a specific range of steps how to construct and everything. Okay. Now, the first step, take BC as 5 centimeters. Okay. Again then angle ABC as 60, that is the angle B is as, draw an angle 60 degrees. Hope you all know how do we draw. Yes, you can draw an arc like this. Again with this center you can cut an arc. Okay. Wherever the point joins, that will be at 60, isn't it? Fine. Next, now AB plus AC is given as 8 centimeters. Do one thing, with this B as center, draw an arc of 8 centimeters. Okay. Let us say this point as O. Okay. Now, join this O to C. Okay. Now, draw perpendicular bisector. Okay. Here and here, again here and here. Now, join these both. Okay. Now, this perpendicular bisector will touch this BO, right. Therefore, from this point join this. Therefore, this point will be my A. Then you can verify this by measuring. Okay. Did you understand? The only step we have to do is whatever they gave, we have to do that. Join this perpendicular bisector, it joins here, this will be my triangle. Okay. Now, write steps. Before that you can draw a triangle like this A, B, C. So, that AB plus AC is like this. This is some point O. Okay. Now, see here. Steps. First step, draw a line segment BC is equal to 5 centimeters. Okay. Next, make an angle 60 degrees. Make an angle 60 degrees at B. Okay. Using ruler and compass. Okay. Next, third step, with B as center and radius 8 centimeter, draw an arc cutting ray OB. Okay. Ray OB. Okay. Now, see here. Let us join OC. Okay. Now, the next step is we have to draw perpendicular bisectors. Draw perpendicular bisectors of OC. Okay. This OC will meet this side. Okay. OC, this perpendicular bisector meets OB at A. Okay. Now, join AC. Therefore, triangle ABC is a, ABC is a required triangle. Clear? Do you understand? The only thing is this is extended, this is joined, perpendicular bisector, this touches here, you have to join them. Clear? Shall we move on to the next problem? Let's do. Look at the question here. He gave construct a triangle ABC given that BC is 4.2 centimeters, angle B is 30 degrees and the difference of the two sides is 1.6 centimeters. Okay. How do we do? Before they gave sum of two sides, now they gave difference of two sides. That is, first the same thing, we have to draw a base BC as 4.2 centimeter. Okay. And the next step, drawing an angle 30 degrees. Here draw a ray 30 degrees. Okay. And the next AB minus AC is 1.6 centimeters. Now we have to mark the same thing on here. Okay. Here it is 1.6 centimeters. Clear? Now join these both. What was the next step? We took the perpendicular bisector of this, right? Here also we have to do the same thing, the perpendicular bisector of this side. Okay. Then now join these both so that it joins this. Okay. Let me do it correctly. Here the perpendicular bisector of this here, okay, and here this line, here this line joins this ray. Okay. From this point you can join this. This will be my A. Okay. Same thing, but before this was very large and this was very small. We got it opposite. Clear? Same thing. You can draw a same array. Then next, this will be our triangle A, B, C. This will be a middle one. Clear? Fine. Let us write steps now. Steps of construction. First line, draw a line segment BC equal to 4.2 centimeter. Okay. Second, make an angle B equal to 30 degrees. Let us name that ray as BA. Okay. Okay. Next, third step, with B as center and radius 1.6 centimeter, draw an cutting ray BA. Okay. Next, is it clear? Now whatever the point it is there, let us mark it as some point M. Okay. Mark as M. Okay. Now join MC. The next step is draw perpendicular bisectors of MC. Is it right? Now the next step, what is it? This MC, this bisector meets BA at A. Okay. Now join that A to C. Join AC. Therefore, ABC is a required triangle. Clear? Did you understand? What all problems we did? We did AB plus AC and AB minus AC, that is the sum of two sides is given and the difference of two sides is given. Clear? Now let us do the next method. Now see here, the next question, construct a triangle ABC given angle B is 60, angle C is 45 and sum of the three sides is 11 centimeters. Okay. Shall we do? Now see here, the first thing is draw a line segment of 11 centimeters. Okay. Let it be some number, let us put as M N. Okay. Given angle B is 60. Now, whether you know or not, draw an angle 60 one side and angle 45 one more side. Okay. Here 60, here 45. You know how to draw them. Clear? Next, draw a angular bisector. Angle with this as center, join these both. Okay. Here also with this, join these both. Is it clear? Now, let us mark this point as O. Now, draw perpendicular bisectors of MO. How it will be? This angle, this one, this and this. Let us join these both. Clear? Here for ON also let us draw perpendicular bisectors. Okay? Clear? Now, mark this point as B and mark this point as C and make it as A. Now, join these both. You will get a required triangle ABC such that AB plus BC plus CA. You can verify it. Clear? Did you understand? Fine. Let us write steps of construction. What is first step? Draw a line segment MN is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay. Next, make an angle 60 degrees at M. Make an angle M equal to 60 degrees and angle N equal to 45 degrees. Clear? Next, the next step will be draw angular bisectors of angle M and angle N. Okay. Draw angular bisectors of angle M and angle N. Clear? They intersect at a point A. They intersect at A. Clear? Now, draw perpendicular bisectors of MA and AN. Okay. They join this MN at, they meet MN at B and C respectively. Is it clear? Now, just join AB and AC. Therefore, ABC is a required triangle. Clear? Is it easy? Fine. These are all different problems of construction. What did we learn in this chapter? We learned how to construct basic angles. Okay. And the next we learned when the sum of two sides is given and when the difference of two sides is given, and also when sum of three sides is given. Clear? Fine. By this problem we can end this chapter, that is geometrical constructions. Fine. Hope everything is clear for you today. Let us meet in the next session with the new chapter of 9th class. Thank you.